Have you ever tried trading GER30 with investing.com app? If you haven't, make sure that you watch this whole video because I'm going to show you how to trade GER30 using the stock switch form. I will start off by explaining the stocks on the investing.com app. Then from there we'll go to the technical analysis. I'll show you exactly how to enter the market using the technical analysis. I've been using this method for the past few years and I always make money when it comes to the GER30 market. So just make sure that you stick around so that you can follow all the steps that I'm going to explain. So this video is gonna be a bit different because I will explain everything in detail. So even those who don't know how to trade, I'm sure you will know exactly what to do after you watch this whole video. So I'll start off by going to the investing.com app on my phone, then I'll explain how you can use this app in order for you to trade the GER30 market. So all you have to do is to download this app called investing.com app. It's there on Apple Store or Google Store, right? So after you download this app, you have to add these companies here. You can see I added the 11 companies which are powerful under GER30. This market watch list here, it opens every day at 9 o'clock. So it means that before 9 these numbers won't be moved, but after 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. South African time, after 9 that's when they will move. So if you want to trade GER30, you download this app, add these companies here and check how they move. So you can see majority of them they are on red, so it means that the market is selling at the moment, right? But if they were green, it means that the market is buying. So this is what I follow each and every time when I trade the market. So all you have to do is to download this app and add these companies the way I added them here. This is the app that I was saying that you should download in order for you to trade GER30. You have to download this app and the MT4. It's either use MT4 or MT5, right? We all know that we trade our chart on MT4 or MT5. So you'll need a broker in order for you to trade on MT4 or MT5. So if you don't know how to find a good broker, I'll put a link below for a broker that I'm using. So if you want to register with the broker that I use, you can just click on the link below in order for you to register and be able to trade the GER30 market. So let's quickly move to the investing.com app, right? So when you want to trade GER30, you have to download this app and come here. Come to the watch list here on this area. When you come here, if your app is still new, it won't show you this. It won't show you these numbers. You don't show you these companies. You have to add these companies manually. You have to add it on your own. So you'll start off by registering. It's either you sign in using your Google account or you create a new account on investing.com. After you created a new account on investing.com, then that's when you give you an option where you should create your own watch list. So it will show you something like this. It will say create. So when you go create, you can name your GER30 watch list. You can name it GER30. So from there it will say add symbols. So when you add these symbols, you are going to add all those stock which are there on my watch list. So you can see on my watch list I had the first one which was SAP. So when you add these things, you have to add the one which has a German flag. You can see SAP here, it has a German flag. So you just have to press the star there, then it shows that it's added. And even Linde PLC, right? Even Linde PLC, you check the one which has a German flag. You can see the one which has a German flag is this one. Just press a star and add it, right? You have to do the whole process of adding these companies one by one by searching them on the symbols, right? You search them there, then add them by pressing the star. So you have to add BMW, Mac, VW, Allianz, Dutch Telecom AG, Linde PLC, Bayer, Siemens AG, Siemens Healthcare, and Airbus Group. So these are the 11 stocks which you have to add on your watch list. So you have to add them exactly the way I added them here. So after you add them here, you wait for 9 o'clock. So when the market opens at 9, you're going to check how these companies perform in order for you to buy or sell. So if all of them they are red, if all of these stocks are red, you're going to sell the GER30 on MT4 or MT5 depending on the broker that you are using or the platform you are using. And if they are on green, if they are all green, it means that you have to buy GER30. Immediately at 9, you analyze this chart here. You analyze this watch list for 1 minute, maybe at 9:01, that's when you're gonna enter the market based on how the stocks perform. So if you find that some of them they are mixed, if you find that some of them they are red and some of them they are green, it means that you have to check for the two main stocks. The two main stocks is Linde PLC and SAP. So one between these two, it should be on +2 or more or -2 or lesser. So if it's on +2 and more and the other one is also positive, it means that you have to buy the GER30 market. And if the other one is negative with -2 or lesser and the other one is also negative, it means that you have to sell the GER30 market. So it means that you're going to sell or buy based on Linde PLC or SAP. So that's what you have to check in order for you to trade GER30. So if it's not like that, if this numbers on Linde PLC or SAP is not over 2 or lesser than 2, it means that you're not supposed to enter the market. You just have to leave it in order for you not to make mistakes. So you only enter if it's on +2 and the other one is also positive. So if the other one is on +2 and the other one is on -2, it means that you are not supposed to enter the market. So now when it comes to holding, it means that you have to hold if Linde PLC is on +2 or more and all of these stocks are positive. You can enter and hold for 1 hour up to 5 hours depending on your target for that day. And if it's on -2 or lesser and all of these stocks are negative, it means that you can enter aside and hold for 1 hour up to 5 hours depending on your target for that day. So that's all you have to check in order for you to trade GER30 using the fundamentals, right? But you're not supposed to only focus on the fundamentals. You still have to do technical analysis in order for you to enter the market at the right time. So let's quickly move to the technical analysis and let me show you how you can prepare for the market in order for you to get an accurate signal every time you're trading the GER30 at night. You have to enter the market at the right time by using the technical analysis. So let's quickly move to the technical analysis. When it comes to technical analysis, we have to do them so that we can enter the market at the right time. So it means that we're not supposed to enter the market from anywhere. So what we're going to do here, we're going to check for areas which the market has respected, and we're going to put these lines here to show that this is our key level areas where we're supposed to enter the market. So how do we put these lines here? The main thing is to get support and the resistance levels which the market respected. So how do we get that? You check the previous day's market. So if you are trading the market for this day, you can see it was on the 18th. We're going to go back to the 17th to check the lowest point and the highest point. So the lowest point is the support level and the highest point is the resistance level. So these are the two areas that I drew here. You can see I identified these areas as my support and this is my resistance. Then the next thing is to identify where the market closed at the previous day. On this day, the market closed here and it opened here. So we're going to put this line to show that the market opened on this area. So this is going to be our intraday line. We expect this market to respect this level on this day, right? So now on this day, it doesn't matter whether the market opens by going up or by going down. So if the market goes up, we expect it to go to this level, right? That is our yesterday's resistance. We expect it to go there so that it can turn, right? But if it doesn't get to that level, we'll keep track of it. Where it turns at, that's when we're gonna use that area as the resistance level. So from the time where the market opens, if it goes up, we'll keep track of it and check where it's gonna turn at. If it doesn't get to the resistance level from the previous day, we'll check where it turns at, right? And if ever it breaks the resistance level from the previous day, we'll also keep track of where it's gonna turn. So immediately after it turns, we're going to identify that area as the resistance level for the day. Even if the market opens by going down, we'll keep track of the market. If it goes down and turns somewhere before it gets to the support level from the previous day, we're going to spot out that area as the support level for the day. So that's exactly what happened here. On this day, when the market opened, you can see it, when it got here, it turned, right? So immediately after it turned, we're expecting it to push up to continue going up. But this candlestick show that the buyers lost power. So this was before the London session. When the London session opened, I expected it to touch this area so that it can go down. So that's exactly what happened on this day. The market just touched the resistance level for the day, then it went down. So each and every day you have to keep track of the market. So if it goes up, you have to check if it has reached yesterday's resistance. If it didn't reach yesterday's resistance, you will have to check if it has turned for the current day. So if it turned, you're going to use that area as the resistance level for the day. So how do you know that the market turned? It's either you must have more than 3 candlesticks which are going down. So if it's more than 3 candlesticks which are going down,
you know that okay, you're going to use that level here where it turned at as a resistance level. But if it's only 2 candlestick, it doesn't guarantee that the market is turned. So if it's 2 candlestick, you just have to monitor the candlesticks after that, right? So the next candlestick, they have to break all those candlesticks. The momentum of those next candlesticks, they have to break all those candlesticks. So if it's 2 candlesticks which are going down, it doesn't guarantee that the market has turned. We only consider it if the next candlestick doesn't break the 2 candlestick which has formed while going down. So if you find that the market, it has turned on this level, and you find that there is more than 2 candlesticks which are going down and they didn't break this level, that's when we're going to consider this level as the resistance level. But if it's only 2 and you find that the market already broke this level here with 1 candlestick or 2 candlestick and it closed above this area, we're not going to consider this level as the resistance level. We only consider it if there is more than 2 candlesticks which are going up. So I hope you understand that. So you just have to keep track of each and every candlestick. So each and every candlestick that the market forms, it's saying something, right? So obviously if the market is on the resistance level and those stocks are selling, we have to sell immediately. And if it's on the support level, we have to buy immediately. I hope you understand everything that I explained, guys. And I hope you're going to kill the market from now on. All the best with this information. And if you like this kind of content, guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next video which I'm going to upload. So without wasting your time, guys, I'm out.